Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Dr. Kirti Kanodia and enjoy the meditations that we are providing you. Stay tuned, be relaxed and be happy. All of you relax. So yesterday we worked on root chakra. Today we'll be working on sacral chakra. So the root chakra has to do with the survival. And now when we'll be working on sacral chakra, it has to do with the pleasures of the life. How you enjoy anything, including your own self. So today we'll be working on sacral chakra. And when it comes to sacral chakra, there are common things that comes between root chakra and the sacral chakra. So this is again the time to open up and receive. And for some people, for them it was difficult to imagine, so I put the pictures also in the group so that you can imagine or create that energy in the body. So when you imagine or create the energy, it also gives you the same effect as it comes on auto mode. So nothing to worry, just relax, go with the flow. No matter what you see, no matter if you're understanding or not, no matter whether you're able to reach to the point or not, it's okay. Just relax. I'm connecting to each and everybody in the group, so the energies are going to reach to the particular point. The only thing is just relax and allow yourself to be there as much as possible. Okay, relax, keep on breathing. Concentrate on your breaths and allow yourself to relax. The more you relax, the deeper you go, and the deeper you go, the more you relax. Keep on breathing. With each and every breath you are taking, feel your physical body. You are alive. You are in this body. It is your responsibility to keep your body clean and hygiene from within. Keep on breathing. Your breaths are the main portal to reach your body. So keep breathing normally. Keep breathing now. Relax. Feel the breaths from the top of your head till the toe of your legs. Keep on relaxing. It is your right to relax and feel your physical body. So keep on relaxing. If your breaths are getting heavy, just say to yourself, relax. Keep on relaxing. And make sure that your back is straight. If you're sitting, your back is straight. And if you're lying down, then also your back is straight. Lie down straight, either on your back or sit straight. You can give support to the back. Keep on relaxing. The more you relax, the deeper you go. The deeper you go, the more you relax. Keep on relaxing. In this relaxed and comfortable position, just bring your awareness on your forehead. And allow the energies from the forehead traveling through your spine, going into your abdomen, just below your navel. Just below your navel, feel the energy in a circular motion into your sacral chakra. This chakra is called as sacral chakra, which is orange in color. It is located below the navel in a circular motion. Around your body. Keep on breathing into it. And let your awareness be in your lower abdomen, in your sacral chakra that is orange in color. Now see if there is any color beside orange color that is there. Is it dark orange? Orange with the spots? Or any gray color? Or any symbols do you see there? Or maybe you could see any people. Or it could be just an orange color. Breathe into it now and understand your chakra. How is it rotating? Normally, slowly? Is it paused? Anti-clockwise? Clockwise? How? Make a note of it. Now breathe into that orange color, and if you're finding any dark spots, gray spots, breathe into it and blow out into the sunlight above you. Say, I let it go. I let it go right now. Once again, breathe into it and let it go. All the spots, any gray color or black color, it's over. It ends now. Now once again, breathe into your sacral chakra, and if you find any symbols or any people, any situation that is coming in your mind while working on this chakra, let it go. Breathe into it and let it go. It will go into the sunlight above you. there it will be recycled. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Now, again breathe into your sacral chakra, and if you find the color, the orange color, darker than the bright color, release it out. Breathe into it and release it out. And allow your sacral chakra to shine and be brighter in color, as transparent as possible. A bright, shiny orange color. Feel that. Breathe into it and let go. Let go what you have stored that is not needed here. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Now feel the organs. The organs that are covered in sacral chakra are reproductive organs, that is uterus for the woman, kidneys for both, and the immune system. Keep on feeling this. Bring your attention in the uterus, kidneys, and immune system. Breathe into it and filter those with anything that you have stored. It could be color, it could be vibration, there could be emotion. Breathe into it and clean it as much as possible. Allow it to shine and feel fresh. Majorly, guilt is covered in the sacral chakra. So see where you have stored the guilt, either in kidneys, uterus, or in your immune system. Breathe into it, give it a color, and say, the need of it is over. It ends now. I let it go totally and completely. Breathe and release it out. Clean the uterus for women, kidneys for both, and immune system. For the male, you can feel the pleasure in the sacral chakra that helps you to produce. So you can breathe in and allow your reproductive system to relax. The more you relax, the more you will see changes in your immune system. Breathe into it and release out into the white light of the sunlight above you. If any of the women having any of the issues in the uterus, make sure you're cleaning your uterus totally and completely now. You can say to the uterus, I accept my femininity and I'm blessed to have you. If anybody is facing any issue with the skin, it comes under sacral chakra. So check which organ of the body is giving an issue in your skin. It could be kidney, it could be uterus, it could be immune system. Clean it as much as possible. Both male and female, allow yourself to be productive. Allow yourself to let go and improve your immune system now. If you need help, you can pull the energy of the sunlight and allow it to go in each and every organ you are cleaning now. It will help you totally and completely in the process. Now, time to let go of the emotions that you have stored there. Feel, do you always need to be manipulative? Manipulative does not mean that you're manipulating somebody. It could only be manipulating your own thought and emotions. Do you keep craving something? Do you feel unsatisfied? Do you feel guilty? Or at times, do you feel lost? Do you always have to think what people are thinking about you? Or you want to please people around you? You need the validation for your own self. Any of this emotion, breathe into it, Give it a color and let it go. I repeat, manipulation, craving, guilt, lost, thinking about others' opinion, pleasing people, or finding happiness in others' satisfaction or unsatisfied. Breathe into it and let it go. The need of it is over. It ends now. Breathe into it and let it go into the white light above you, the sunlight. It will be recycled there. Release it out. And now, from the sunlight, take back your consciousness, your passion, your fulfillment, your balance, your playfulness, and your right to enjoy health, wealth, prosperity. Breathe into the sacral chakra and replace those emotions with this new. I repeat, passion, fulfillment, balance, playfulness, happiness, and your right to enjoy health, wealth, and prosperity. Allow your organs, your cells to feel that it is your right to feel. Keep on feeling it as much as possible. Say, I deserve to enjoy what I have. I choose to enjoy and feel fulfillment into me. I am fulfilled. It could be simple as enjoying the dress that you wear, lying down, doing nothing. It could be whatever you do in the entire day. Enjoy. I allow myself to enjoy what I do. Keep on feeling it as much as possible. Enjoy your sexuality. Whether you're male, enjoy being a male. If you're a female, enjoy being a female. And try to bring balance to enjoy. Now allow the lotus, orange color lotus, be in bright, shiny orange color, rotating clockwise. according to its own speed. Allow it to get activated and allow it to move, rotate, and function normally as it is supposed to be. Now, let's energize with the sound. The sound to the sacral chakra is VAM. So, the sound towards the sacral chakra is VAM. Breathe. Breathe into your sacral chakra and allow the sound VAM. VAM. Once again, breathe into your sacral chakra and say VAM. One last time. Breathe into your sacral chakra and say VAM. Feel the vibration of the sound. Keep on breathing. Feel your sacral chakra active, energized, full of energy, rotating in clockwise, and it is bright, shiny, orange. Now feel both the chakras, your root chakra that is red in color and the solar chakra that is orange in color. Feel both the chakras rotating actively, joyfully, full of energy and ability to take care of the organs. Keep on breathing. I choose to allow myself to feel all the pleasures of the life, including physical body. Keep on breathing. Now slowly bring back your awareness into your forehead and allow the sunlight to go where it belongs to. Just feel the energies of the Mother Earth from your root chakra reaching till your sacral chakra, and allow each and every organ of the sacral chakra to receive the nourishment and love of the Mother Earth. Your kidneys, uterus, immune system, your circulation of the blood in your body, and it is helping your skin to become healthier and shiny. Keep on breathing. Now slowly integrate your consciousness completely into your physical body. Say thank you to the Mother Earth. Keep on breathing. And allow your chakras, the sacral chakra, to feel the new energy that it was originally was. Allow the organs and cells of the sacral chakra to breathe, relax, energized, and totally active according to its original. Keep on breathing. And with each and every breath you're taking now, allow your brain to see and understand your refreshed organs, energy, and activeness of the sacral chakra. So breathe into your brain and allow the brain to connect to these fresh energies of the sacral chakra that is it was originally needed to be. Connect. And allow your brain to maintain this energy, fresh, active, energized. Feel the connect. Keep on breathing. You are worthy to enjoy your life. And so it is. With each and every breath you're taking, feel your body, feel your back, feel your shoulder, feel the top of your head, integrate, integrate, integrate. Bring back your awareness, and when you feel right, only then bring back your awareness into the room and open your eyes. Take your time and allow yourself to feel it as much as possible. Thank you.